How to change Tonkeeper wallet name and icon. Hello and welcome to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can change or customize your name and icon on Tonkeeper wallet. To do so, first of all, you'll have to open your Tonkeeper application on your mobile device and make sure you are logged into your account. Once you are logged into your account, you will end up in this homepage. Here, go to the wallet whose name and icon you want to change if you have multiple wallets. For that, tap on that gear icon at top right corner of the screen. Once you do so, you will reach to a new page. Here, tap on this wallet option at the top. From here, you can customize your wallet icon and name. Tap on this wallet name option and clear the previous one. Now enter the new name for your wallet in this provided field. Once you have done that, here you can scroll down and find a new icon for your wallet. You can also choose the color theme of your wallet by swiping and tapping on these little colorful dots. Once you are satisfied with your new icon and name, tap on the Save button to update the changes. Once you have done that, you can see your wallet name and icon has been successfully updated. These steps help you to customize the name and icon of your Tonkeeper wallet to your preference. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.